Okay. Post capitalization cash discount of assets. Characteristics for controlling will be cost center. That is by default. Okay. Cost center will be the basis for document splitting. Okay. Now, what are we missing? I guess we are done with the configuration, and today we will go ahead with front end entries. Accounting, financial accounting, GL, account, oh, sorry, master record, GL. Let me see if we have made the profit centers. K53 is display. Double F46. Oh, no standard hierarchy. This will make a error. Okay. SPRO. Okay, no. OKKP. Double A46. Double click. Standard hierarchy is this. Component. Assignment. Okay. SPRO. Reference. Controlling. Profit center accounting. Basic setting. Controlling area setting. This is missing, no? Standard hierarchy 8AA46 90 EKR active indicator save. It was saved. Master data, profit center, define standard hierarchy, lower level, dummy. Dummy 846. Dummy is just a placeholder. Same level, north operations. Enter. Same level, south operations. Same level, central. Central head office. Now, profit center hierarchy, profit center group, profit center. Profit center group can be a business segment. What is a business segment? Industry. What industry? Like, for example, detergent is one segment. Other is radial tires. The other is packaging. So The profit center groups can be the business industries, or it can be geographical. And let's say if we have radial tires as our vertical, then profit centers will be, it can be geographical, location wise. Okay. So let's save this. This is saved. This is basically the hierarchy that we make. These hierarchies can be geographical or it can be business segment. For example, instead of north, I can have detergents, I can have radial tires, I can have pharma. These can be my profit center groups. This is my hierarchy. Okay, define dummy profit center. Dummy profit center is nothing but a placeholder. It's just dummy. It has no use. Dummy profit center, double A46. Profit center group, dummy, we've already made this. Okay. Save. It is asking for segment. I'll just hit enter and that's it. Okay. Define profit center. I'll create one north, south, and central. And one master data, north ops, north operations, profit center group north, enter, enter. Okay, activated. Enter, enter. S1, N1. Copy from N1. Enter. Mm, oh, oh, oh,